With Nigerian corruption taking a nosedive in the international landscape, corruption has been identified as a major antagonist infecting the dispensation of justice. Lawyers and magistrates are looking to address this challenge and are proposing stiff penalties on all parties implicated with evidence of corruption to manipulate a judicial process. From the illegal invasion of Justice Mary Odili's house to the non-ending tales of trials spanning several years, the Nigerian judicial system has come under a lot of scrutiny within and outside the country's borders. Many link this to corruption, which may have infiltrated the system. Lawyers and magistrates are looking to address this challenge, which they believe is in the very fabric of the African society.
I am aware that during political cases, they were chasing Supreme Court judges. First, they wanted to know what judges are going to hear, what panel is going to hear this particular political case. When they know, they will visit the judges at home and tell them, we hear that you are going to be on the panel, even before the judge himself has known.
When we talk about bribery and corruption, I believe it's our culture. It started as appreciation.
You've granted bail. It's for them to perfect. The bail sum is never to be paid. I believe we all know that. But some of our colleagues will tell them, there's the money I'm going to bring. And why are they telling them so? Because they want to benefit from it.
The culprits, according to those gathered here, are in most cases the legal practitioners who look to swing the outcome of results in their favor. They propose making examples of those caught in the act.
We need a few scapegoats. I'm very nice. I don't like to hurt people. But if there's a fake lawyer around or someone collecting bribe, please let us arrest them. Let us prosecute them. Let there be a disciplinary process that we can follow so there will be scapegoats. I guarantee you, I'm not lying. If we have just 2 scapegoats, just 2, everybody else, nobody will collect bribe again.
Some of the Christian legal minds here point at the independence of the judiciary as a key factor to the possible subjection to political influence.
There were judicial staff strike in Nigeria, which has never happened in the history of Nigeria. And what did I say? The judiciary are asking for the autonomy of the judiciary, so that whatever that is meant, budgetary provision that is meant for judiciary, should be given to judiciary to effectively utilize it for the interest of judiciary. And once we have an independent judiciary, we reduce corruption to the barest minimum.
Some developed nations have refused extradition for Nigerian fugitives over distrust in the country's legal system. Ending this spiral of corruption is key to changing the narrative, not just for the judicial system, but the nation's perception.